Can you look up at Mommy and Daddy? What do you think? Yeah, it's not as comfy as you used to be in, huh? Hey, no, off.
Titus.
Hey, sit.
Buddy,
T.
come on. There's a
Good
good move
girl,
in your neck.
Elizabeth. You're so much happier than you were last night. You gonna wiggle off of it like you did before? You do some wiggling? Maybe we should try without the pillow too. Oh, big sneeze! Oh,
Where'd it go?
psych! What is that? She's just gonna go to sleep. She's like, fine.